In this video, we'll talk about how to withdraw money from stake to bank account. Now, in order to do this, we all know that bank account doesn't really have any cryptocurrency option. So what we can do instead is we need to head over right here to our stake first, click on wallet. Then we have in here a balance. So as you can see, this TRX value that I have right here is equivalent to 0.19 US dollars. So next thing we need to do right there is to just click over right here to withdraw option. And then from in here, just click onto the amount that you want to withdraw. And then as you can see, it's asking for a TRX address, but your bank doesn't have this. So what we can do instead is we need to head over and use Binance, Crypto.com, or CoinsPH. It's actually up to you. I'll head over and use Binance right here. So from in there, just click onto the receive on the Binance. And then from there, just choose TRX from the list. And then once you have done that, just put in here the TRX address. Then click on this for verify with Google. And then once it's been verified, click onto this withdraw option from in here. Now, once your balance is in Binance already, just click onto this transfer right here because they actually support flat currency conversion and transfer. Then just transfer it to your bank account.